Hey everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a vegan berry smoothie bowl. I usually enjoy it for brunch on weekends in summer, and during the weekdays I try to fit this vegan smoothie bowl as a snack in between meals. So let's get started, but make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out any new videos. And if you like this smoothie bowl idea, then don't forget to hit the like button. Alright, let's take a look at the ingredients to make this vegan berry smoothie bowl. I have 1.5 bananas, 1.5 cups of frozen strawberries, half cup of frozen blueberries. These are some vegan chocolate chips which I'll use for garnishing, and some sliced almonds for garnishing as well. I also have this organic plant-based protein powder and half cup of water. Or you can use pomegranate or orange juice as well. And I'm sure I will need more, but I will let you know later. Whenever you are making smoothie, always pour liquid first in the blender, whether you're using water or any kind of juice. And then put the ingredients that will easily get crushed, which is going to be bananas here. And then blueberries. If you're new to my channel, welcome! Please subscribe so you don't miss out new videos I post every week. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy this video. Now add strawberries. I'm also going to add half scoop of organic plant-based protein powder, which is about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons. And of course, this is totally optional. Alright, let's put the lid on and blend everything to make smoothie. This vegan smoothie bowl is a go-to summer treat, or you can call it a healthy dessert, breakfast smoothie, or enjoy it after workout session. You can also choose fruits that you like and make 100 different versions of these smoothie bowls. Looks like it's done. Let me show you. I do want to let you know that I did add another half cup of water. Alright, let me take it out in a bowl. I also have a recipe video on vegan ice cream. If you would like to check it out, the link is in the description box down below. I'm going to garnish it with some sliced almonds for some nutty texture, some blueberries on the side, and few vegan chocolate chips as well. The vegan berry smoothie bowl is ready. You saw how easy it is to make a healthy summer treat. I hope you liked this recipe video and do give it a try. You can follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram. The link is down below in the description box. And if you liked this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.